Money. It's a word that evokes a myriad of emotions and thoughts. For some, it's a symbol of success and freedom. For others, it represents stress and limitations. It's a powerful force in our lives, influencing our decisions, our relationships, and even our sense of self-worth. Whether we like it or not, money plays a central role in our daily existence. It can bring joy and security, allowing us to provide for our loved ones, pursue our passions, and enjoy the finer things in life. A healthy bank account can mean peace of mind and the freedom to make choices without constant worry. But it can also create stress and anxiety. The pressure to make ends meet, the fear of unexpected expenses, and the burden of debt can weigh heavily on our minds and hearts. But here's the secret. Your financial reality is a reflection of your mindset. The way you think about money can either empower you or hold you back. Your thoughts about money shape your financial destiny. Positive, proactive thinking can lead to smart financial decisions and opportunities, while negative, defeatist attitudes can create barriers and setbacks. A negative money mindset can keep you trapped in a cycle of scarcity and fear. It can make you feel like no matter what you do, you'll never get ahead. It whispers doubts in your ear, telling you that financial success is out of reach, that you're not capable or deserving of wealth. You'll never be wealthy, it says. These limiting beliefs can become deeply ingrained, affecting your actions and decisions. Money is hard to come by, it insists. And so, you find yourself stuck in a pattern of financial struggle, unable to break free. These thoughts become self-fulfilling prophecies. But there's good news. You have the power to change this narrative. You have the power to change your financial story. By adopting a positive money mindset, you can open yourself up to new possibilities and opportunities. By shifting your mindset, you can transform your relationship with money. Start by recognizing and challenging your negative beliefs about money. You can create a life of abundance and financial freedom. Visualize your financial goals, practice gratitude for what you have, and take proactive steps towards financial health. It all starts with recognizing the power of your thoughts. Your mindset can either be a powerful ally or a formidable foe in your financial journey. Your mindset is the key to unlocking your financial potential. Embrace a mindset of abundance. Believe in your ability to achieve financial success, and watch as your reality begins to shift. Are you ready to embrace the journey to financial freedom? The path is yours to take, and it all begins with the power of your mind. Many people struggle with a scarcity mindset. This mindset is characterized by the belief that resources, particularly money, are limited and hard to come by. They believe there's never enough money to go around. This belief can create a cycle of stress and anxiety, making it difficult to see opportunities for growth and abundance. This mindset can stem from childhood experiences or societal conditioning. Perhaps you grew up in a household where money was always tight, or you were constantly told that you had to work hard just to get by. Living with a scarcity mindset can lead to fear and anxiety around money. This fear can manifest in various ways, such as avoiding looking at your bank statements or feeling a sense of dread whenever a bill arrives. It can make you hesitant to invest in yourself or pursue your dreams. You might find yourself saying no to opportunities because you're afraid of the financial risk involved. You might find yourself constantly worried about bills or unexpected expenses. This constant worry can take a toll on your mental and physical health, leading to a cycle of stress and financial instability. The first step to financial freedom is recognizing and challenging these limiting beliefs. By identifying the root causes of your scarcity mindset, you can begin to reframe your thoughts and create a more positive relationship with money. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings about money. Pay attention to the language you use when you talk about finances, and notice any negative patterns that emerge. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, instead of thinking, "I'll never be able to afford that," try saying, "I am capable of creating wealth and abundance in my life." Instead of "I can't afford that," try, "I'm attracting abundance into my life." These small shifts in language can have a powerful impact on your mindset and your financial reality. Remember, abundance is your birthright. You deserve to live a life of financial freedom and prosperity. It's time to claim it. Embrace the journey from scarcity to abundance and watch as your financial situation transforms for the better. Transforming your money mindset is a journey. It requires conscious effort and daily practice. Here are a few steps to get you started. First, visualize your financial success. Imagine yourself living a life of abundance. What does it look and feel like? Second, surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out mentors, books, and podcasts that inspire financial growth. Third, practice gratitude for what you have. Appreciate the money you do have, no matter how small it may seem. Fourth, celebrate your financial wins, big and small. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself along the way. Remember, your mindset is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Countless individuals have transformed their lives by changing their money mindset. Take Sarah, for example. Sarah's journey is a powerful illustration of how shifting one's perspective on money can lead to profound changes in life. She grew up believing that rich people were greedy and that money was the root of all evil. These beliefs were deeply ingrained in her from a young age, influenced by her family's struggles and societal narratives. As a result, Sarah struggled financially for years. She found herself constantly stressed about money, unable to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. She worked long hours at a job she hated, barely making ends meet. The long hours took a toll on her health and well-being, leaving her exhausted and unfulfilled. One day she decided she'd had enough. Sarah realized that if she wanted to change her life, she needed to change her mindset first. Sarah started reading books about personal finance and attending workshops. She immersed herself in learning, absorbing knowledge from experts and successful individuals who had transformed their own financial situations. She began to understand that wealth was not a bad thing. Instead, she saw it as a means to achieve her goals and help others. It was simply a tool that could be used for good or evil. This realization was a turning point for Sarah, as she started to see money as a resource that could empower her to create positive change. With a newfound positive mindset, Sarah started making different choices. She created a budget, tracked her expenses, and set financial goals that aligned with her values. She paid off her debt, started investing, and eventually quit her job to pursue her passion for photography. Her financial discipline and strategic planning allowed her to build a stable foundation for her new career. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of a transformed money mindset. Today, she not only enjoys financial freedom, but also helps others on their journey to financial empowerment. Her story inspires many to believe that transformation is possible with the right mindset and actions. Embracing gratitude, cultivating abundance consciousness. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for shifting your money mindset. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you attract more abundance into your life. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. It could be a roof over your head, food on the table, or the support of loved ones. As you practice gratitude, you'll notice a shift in your energy. You'll feel more abundant and prosperous, even if your financial situation hasn't changed yet. Remember, your thoughts and feelings create your reality. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude is essential for manifesting financial abundance. Investing in yourself, the ultimate key to wealth. Investing in yourself is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. When you invest in your education, skills, and well-being, you increase your earning potential. Consider taking courses, attending workshops, or hiring a coach to help you develop new skills. Invest in your health by eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. When you prioritize your personal growth, you become an asset to the world. You attract more opportunities and abundance into your life. Remember, you are your greatest investment. Invest in yourself wisely, and you'll reap the rewards for years to come. Taking action from dreams to financial freedom. Changing your mindset is crucial, but it's only the first step. You must take action to manifest your financial dreams. Start by setting clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Once you have a clear vision, create a plan to reach your goals. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This will make them feel less daunting and more achievable. Remember, even small actions taken consistently over time can lead to significant results. Don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Seek out financial advisors, mentors, or accountability partners to support you on your journey. Your unstoppable journey begins now. You have the power to create a life of financial abundance. It starts with changing your mindset and believing in your potential. Embrace the journey, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Celebrate your successes along the way, and learn from any setbacks you encounter. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination. It's a continuous journey of growth and expansion. Are you ready to embark on your unstoppable journey to financial freedom? A future filled with financial abundance awaits. Imagine a future where you're free from financial worries, You have enough money to live comfortably, pursue your passions, and give back to others. This future is within your reach. It all starts with changing your mindset and taking inspired action. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never give up on your financial dreams. The world is full of abundance, and it's waiting for you to claim your share. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.